How to fix Facebook not logging in on Google Chrome. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys what you can do if you are having trouble logging your Facebook on your Google Chrome. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to know is that first you have to open up your phone settings. So from here, just tap on settings menu and scroll down until you find your app layout. So this might be different depending on the device you're using. So what you need to do is find your settings and once you get here, the settings on your device might be different where you can access the open supported links from this menu, but I don't have it here. So I'm just going to straight up go to Facebook, and once you get to Facebook, you are just going to tap on its settings. And here you will find something called set as default. So tap on it. And here on the supported web address, here are all of the supported web address. So if you open any of these, it will redirect you to Facebook. So what you need to do is just turn it off and you will be able to log into your Google Chrome. So what this will do is it won't redirect you to the Facebook app and you can easily use your Facebook on Google Chrome. If you have Facebook Lite, you are going to do the same for Facebook Lite because if you turn it off and Facebook Lite is turned on, then you will be redirected to your Facebook Lite. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.